Hi, this is the Brooklyn Aerodrome, and we're going to go through the process by which we evaluate the center of gravity fore and aft for an airplane. So here's an airplane that we've been flying a bunch, and there's a very simple way to evaluate the center of gravity, which is that you balance it on your fingers. And you want to, you basically have drawn in the center of gravity here, and there's a bunch of nose weight on this right here, and that's why it's balancing here. It's a little forward of that, you can just see on the fingers. And that's just a way to do center of gravity verification. It's just when it balances nicely like that. So, I'm up above the table. If you want to be more precise or something that's a little more reproducible, you can take a ruler like this and hold up an edge if you like. But this one's got a nice little rectangle, little support beam here. So we can just sort of balance it on there and just sort of find the balance point on that. And you can see that this has got air underneath it on both sides, and that's indicating that the balance point's a little ahead of where this line is. So that's doing it. And just make sure the other side looks the same, where the expected is. You want it to be perpendicular to the direction of flight. We'll do a little more complicated one here. So we don't know what the CG is on this one. So this has got some nose weight. It's a good flying airplane, actually. Make sure you have the vertical stab on there. This doesn't have the vertical stab, but I just wanted to emphasize the fact that it doesn't have it. So here we're going to use the same technique to experimentally find what the balance point is, and it's that's about right. When nothing's interacting with anything, that's it. And it looks like it's mostly perpendicular to the direction of flight. You might have to geometrically verify it, and then the other thing you do is just pick it up with your hands and balance it on your fingers. There's nothing wrong with that. And then you sort of mark the foam with your thumbnails a little bit if you want, and then just draw a line across, and that will be the center of gravity as observed. All right, so that's how you do center of gravity evaluation setting. If the center of gravity is too far back, if you're trying to get, like for this one here, notice that it's a little bit forward. So what I would do is take some nose weight off so the center of gravity goes back a little bit, okay? So you adjust the weight if there's a design center of gravity, or if you're evaluating, you just take what you get. All right, thank you.